Northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming north 5 knots and knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, the Atlantic coastal waters between Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey and Cape Henlopen, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Cape Henlopen, Overfall Shoal, Slaughter Beach, Buoy 2 FB, Buoy 2 MS, Buoy 3 FB, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape May Point, Cape May Reef, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, 14-foot bank light, Miami light, sea breeze, Ship John Shoal Light and Wildwood Reef, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of showers with strong winds associated with a gust front of 34 knots or greater from East Point to 14 nautical miles northwest of Slaughter Beach, or from East Point to 7 nautical miles west of Bowers Beach, moving southeast at 35 knots. This area of showers and strong winds will be near 14-foot bank light at 8:50 p.m., Brandywine Shoal Light at 8:50 p.m., Brown Shoal Light at 9 p.m., Slaughter Beach at 9 p.m., Wildwood Reef at 9:10 p.m., Cape May Point at 9:10 p.m., Buoy 3 FB at 9:10 p.m., Overfall Shoal at 9:10 p.m., Cape May Reef at 9:20 p.m., Buoy 2 MS at 9:20 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. Boaters, especially those under sail, should seek safe harbor immediately until the high winds subside.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for the Delaware Valley. Station KIH 28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
The current time is 8:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.